Hello, this is David Wales. For sprint number 3, I believe I completed everything that was necessary. So, first thing was the time manager, and actually I'll run it first to show you what was done. So, I have the FPS being displayed up on top as well as the time. There's just the one frame. It's different for each one. And then over here you can see the alarms are being called. I have the alarm 0 for cottage and the ship are quite a bit shorter than the number 1s for each. So that's why you see them more often. But as you can see, they're both working. So then, for my code, I just have the time manager is updating. For the time manager, it's just the ticking and talking at the right times. It's not too bad. It just initiates stopwatches, and then get frame time and get total time is just takes the variable and then just gets it in time in seconds. But for the setup of the rest of it, it's very similar to an imputable manager, or imputables in general. So I just have the alarmable manager, and then instead of game key for me, I had alarm marker. So for the alarmable, it just had virtual alarms. I had 5 total, and then the enum that lets you set them easier, and then also just the register and deregister to make it easier on the user. So for my alarmable, I have a switch case to dispatch the alarm once it has been called, once the callback has been called, and then same thing, the register and deregister are the same as the other register and deregistering. And then for my alarm marker, I just have a pointer to a alarmable, alarm ID and float, and it just returns. This is a very simple class. It just sets the variables equal to the parameters, and then all of the functions just return that variable. So then my alarm manager, then to register, it just goes through and it finds the right place, and then it breaks and inserts it at that iterator value. And then to update, it just updates. It only updates if it'll check the first variable or first alarm, and if that time has not passed, then it just stops there. Otherwise, it'll call that alarm's callback, and then it'll continue the next one and see if that one is up. If that's not, then it's done. And then deregistering, it just goes through and it erases the alarm for each alarmable, and I had to do this so that the iterator would still be valid after I erase the alarmable from the map. And I think that's pretty much it. Thanks.